ThinkQuick kicks off with a lightning round of logic puzzles that twist ordinary rules and spark rapid-fire reasoning. Next, quick general knowledge trivia and a true or false challenge test your brain bias and calibration under pressure. A rapid-fire science fact reveals counterintuitive ideas, followed by an optical illusion that tricks perception and invites second thoughts. Then a mini comparison, like Earth's diameter versus the moon's size, followed by a psychological test that peels back habits. Finish with a thought experiment teaser and an IQ-style question you can pause and replay to sharpen critical thinking.